Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Do I have autograph?
Yes.
Can we keep pictures together?
Yes. You have Twitter?
Yeah.
What's your name on there?
Nelly Frankie's.
Nelly Frankie's. Here's one of my necklaces. Here's a phone.
You have your number?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Let's get a picture.
Oh, and here's a free contest to get your VIP.